Data science in audit. Again, the aim of this exercise is to confirm year-end valuation of the portfolio of a stock in the investment balance sitting in the balance sheet of our client company, and we want to make sure all the prices the client company use are fair prices. The process is similar. The only different thing in this video is, as I mentioned in part 1, that the Yahoo Finance does not provide information data for all exchanges operating in the world. So in that case, we have to find alternative sources which provide data. So in this tutorial, I have selected the stock exchange that is not, the data is not available in the Yahoo Finance, and the stock exchange name is Pakistan Stock Exchange, or PSX. So we are using PSS 100 index companies. As the data is not available in Yahoo Finance, then the alternative source, there are numerous alternative sources available on the net, but one of my favorite is Quandl. I'll show you their website. So this is a Quandl website, and if you need to sign up to get a key. Why you need a key? Once you need data from Quandl, they want you to be authorized user, and you are using the proper and legitimate form of getting data. And API is one of the technical terms being used in the web world that connects you to the server of that website. I won't go into technical details. I have mentioned that I understand the auditor does not have that type of knowledge. All you need to do is to go to Quandl, sign up, and you will get your free API key. And all you need, once you get your API, it's self-explanatory. The process of signing is very simple and easy. So once you get your API, all you need to put your API here. You just place your API here, just copy and paste, and make sure that the API key should be in quotes. That's it. The rest is same. Upload the symbol file. Let me quickly show you where the file is. There's a file sitting in my computer. This is KSE. So I have amended the symbols. This is the KSE symbol, but Quandl wants this to be in their format, so they know which stock exchange it relates to. So this is the Quandl required symbol, PSX, which relates to the Pakistan Stock Exchange, / the company symbol, .5. Quandl provide data in different columns: in open, close price, open price, high, low, close, adjusted price. So the column we are interested in is the close prices of the day, which is column number 5. That's why you are seeing .5 there. So this is the required symbol of Quandl, and this is a file which we are going to upload into Azure. I have already done that. I'll show you. So the KSE 100 file. So the KSE 100 file is here. You can see KSE 100 files. I have already uploaded it, and now I am reading this file into our code file. So here you go. KSE 100, similar to the one we did in the part 1. Nothing changed. Few line of codes, don't worry about it. The next thing you need to amend is your dates. So in my case, I'm using 30th June 2018 as a year end. So I'm putting a start date from 29th up until 30th. And at last, you need to, as you are saving all data into CSV, you need to provide your required CSV file name. I'm using PSX100. You can use whatever you want. And one quick note is I'm using the date range from 29th June 2018 up until 30th June 2018. As we are downloading all PSX 100 company stock, 100 companies, there will be some instances where the stock was not traded at our provided range. Maybe not in 20th, not in 30th. It's obviously a Saturday, but 29th was the last day of the financial year, so maybe there were a few stocks which did not trade on 29th of June last year. So it's up to you. If you wanted to increase the range, go to from, let's say, 20th June 2018 up until 30th June on. It's up to you. So this one will make a sure. So now at the end we need to press this magical button, run.